Okay, so this is first geometry we are going to simulate in STAR CCM. You can see it's a so-called backward-facing step flow. The flow is coming from left to the right, and the dimensions are showing in here. The inlet has a height of 1 meter, and outlet has a height of 1.5 meters. So the step has a height of 0.5 meter. The total length of the step is 7 meter, and the inlet has a section of 1 meter. The width has a 1 meter distance. So this is a geometry we're going to simulate in STAR CCM. Okay, so I've already started the program, and in order to start the simulation, we can just click this button, and we can switch between serial and a parallel. So this, because the simulation is not so hard, and but anyway, I just choose parallel on local host because my PC has only 2 cores, so it's by default and shows 2 processors. And since I'm using a license, so I choose the last option and then OK it. The program will start. So you see the startup is initialization is finished. And then we can see a list of folders are showing. Basically, our procedure is to go through these folders. First of all, we need to generate a geometry, the backward-facing step flow. So we go open the geometry folder, and then in the subfolder 3C80 models, we just right-click and new. Okay, so this is a new tab in here for the sketch. And we were originally in the simulation tab. Now we are in the 3D CAD tab. Okay, so since we want to draw the projection at XY plane, so we just click X and Y and right click, choose create sketch. So now we see the sketch plane in here and also has grid. Because of the dimension of the model, we want to change the grid resolution to spacing to 0.5, and then we don't want any minor grades. So this help us. So we zoom out now by using the roller in the mouse. Okay. And now what we can do is we just start the drawing. We choose this rectangular, create rectangular, and then we just do here. So this is the inlet section, and then we click again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so and the height is 0.5. So this is basically the geometry we have, and we may notice there is a line which is additional, so we just cut it. Because it's overlapped by 2 lines, we just click twice, we get this sketch. Then we just click OK. So this face is here. Okay. Based on the sketch, we click and then right click. We do the extrude. We can generate the 3D geometry. You can see the distance of the extrude is 0.1 meter. We want it to be 1 meter. Okay, so then we get the geometry. So, okay, so this is a geometry we want, right? And it's not finished yet because later on we will set up boundary conditions for each surface. So for now, we need to name the phases. First of all, inlet, we click inlet, it will be highlighted. Then right click, so choose rename. We rename it as inlet. Okay. And also we have the outlet, the same procedure, rename outlet. Okay, so now we go to the top surface, and you can see the top contains 2 pieces, 2 faces. So we just press Control and choose both. Yeah, press Control, multiple selection, and you can see 2 faces are selected. We just rename it as top. Okay, and then we do the bottom. Press. and then rename it and bottom. And now we have the side surfaces also, because this has smaller z coordinate, we just saw it call it z0, and the right one z1. So this is how I call it. Okay, so now we go to here, named faces. So as long as we click each of the face, so the relevant location will be showing. Okay, for now, we've generated the geometry and we can update 3D CAD model and then close it. So, and then it will be showing in here, body 1. Okay, and you see it's not showing on here, and we can activate the geometry tab. So we can see it now. So this is a procedures how to generate a backward facing step geometry.